Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, children, once again we are going to revise a chapter in our final examination portion. What? What? Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon to all of you. So, let us start our revision in English literature once again. Do you know which chapter are we going to revise? Do you know which chapter we are going to revise? Okay, we are going to revise Attila, chapter 10, chapter 10 in English literature. It is Attila. Okay, the board is visible. Children, the board is visible. Children, can you see the board? Okay, children. बोर्ड विजिबल है? अच्छा अच्छा, जस्ट लेट मी सी. गुड आफ्टरनून. अब ओके है? ठीक है. ओके. ओके चिल्ड्रेन. So this is a very important story written by R.K. Narayan. Okay, am I audible now? मेरी आवाज जा रही है? Okay, very good, thank you. So children, open our chapter for revision is Attila by R.K. Narayan. And here is okay, open Attila by R.K. Narayan. Children, you know this story is about a dog. This story is about a dog. The main character of the story is dog. Dog whose name is Attila. Whose name is Attila. Okay, children, you know there is a family, and the family is concerned about the safety and security, the protection of the household from thieves, burglars, robbers, and also from postmen, vendors, hawkers, bill collectors, and some similar unwanted people haunt the house. Okay, every now and then, again and again. So the family is fed up. The family is fed up with such people. Okay. Lastly, the family decides to buy a dog. The family thinks that the police are not enough. The police cannot be present everywhere, cannot be available everywhere and every time to protect the house from thieves and house breakings, robberies, thieves, etc. So, in place of depending upon the police for the protection, the family decides to purchase a dog, and the family is more dependent upon the dog than the police for the protection. The family goes to the dog market. The family goes to dog market and a pup is bought, which is only 2 months old, a couple of months old, in the hope that the pup would grow into a very strong, dangerous, fearsome dog, and all those people, unwanted people, really they would get afraid of the dog, and the family would be relieved. After that, okay, all the people are very optimistic, they are hopeful, they are confident, okay, they are confident. Even the youngest boy of the family, he loves the dog. The dog is growing and growing and growing. One day the dog is fearsome, it is very dangerous. It is larger in size, okay, it is grown. But the surprising thing is that, children, this dog becomes very gentle. The dog becomes very soft. It becomes lenient. It becomes toothless. It becomes very friendly with people. Okay, people are coming in, going out. The dog is unmoved. The dog is not chasing them away. The dog is not barking at them. The dog is not frightening them away, driving them away. See, the family which is, the family which is so hopeful, so confident, the family is optimistic in approach about the dog. But see, the dog proves to be a noiseless dog. So the family is ashamed. The family is ashamed of the dog. The family cannot talk to others, to the neighbors, to their relatives, and to their acquaintances about the dog. Okay, because there is nothing in this dog to be proud of. There is nothing such in this dog to be proud of the dog. You too also can understand. The dog is expected to keep these unwanted people, vendors, thieves, burglars, bill collectors, vendors, hawkers, shopkeepers, keep them away. But it develops a very friendly habit with them. So the family is surprised and the family is very ashamed. Is it clear? It is not, the story does not end here only. On top of that, this, in the presence of the dog, there is a burglary. There is a case of burglary one night in the house. You know, children, Ranga, you know, you have read the story, you have understood it. Who is Ranga? Rangavaja? Yes, exactly. Very good. Well done. So see, children, how shameful it is. How shameful it is. How unfortunate it is. In the presence of the dog that night, it is dead night. It is dead hours of the night, okay, and the burglar Ranga breaks into the house of the family and steals and carries away all valuables with him. See, and the dog is there. The dog is, Ranga looks at the dog, his eyes fall on the dog and thinks that today my life is finished off. Today this dog would pounce upon me and the dog would rip me apart, tear me apart, and so this night is the last day of my life. But what happens? The dog is unmoved. The dog is not doing anything to Ranga. He is just goggling his eyes like this, moving his eyes round and round, goggling at him. Okay? Only looking at him vacantly, gazing at him, wagging his tail, पूंछ हिला रहा है. And when walks over to him and he starts licking his hand, licking his leg. See, this is the reaction the dog has in the house that night, in the presence of the burglar. Okay. Lastly, Ranga makes a bundle of all valuables. He steals everything from house, valuables, gold, ornament, money, and he piles everything in a bundle, fills everything in a bundle and runs away. See, the dog also runs away after him. The dog is also not concerned about the family, the safety of the household. See how you can say how faithless, how undependent, unreliable, undependable this dog is. The dog runs away with Ranga. There develops a friendship, a companionship between Ranga and the dog. Both become new friends, new companions. This dog Attila is enjoying this new freedom from the house. See, the family is confident, the family is hopeful that this dog will protect everything. But see, not to speak of protecting the household from Ranga, the burglar. He runs away. What a faithless dog, unreliable dog. The day breaks. It is morning. Next day it is morning. The day breaks. And the family is shocked. The family is surprised. The family is shocked. Speechless. The family finds in a very awkward position. The family finds that everything has been stolen by Ranga, the burglar. And the dog is also gone. The dog is also lost. The dog also disappeared. See what a mental condition they were facing that time, all the members. They were shocked. They were speechless. They were tongue-tied. They could not talk about this incident, this event to anyone. They were ashamed, so ashamed that. And there, the dog is enjoying this new companionship, this new friendship with the burglar. Okay? And what happens one day? Ranga was going along on the road, and he was going to sell some ornament which he had stolen from the family house, from the house that night. So he was going to sell it to a goldsmith in the market. He was going to sell it. Fortunately, luckily, Ranga was also behind him. Ranga was also following. The dog was also following Ranga. He was also trotting, scuttling, and walking behind Ranga. And fortunately, the youngest boy of the family was also present there around. He was present around there. And all of a sudden, he caught the sight of Ranga, and again he caught the sight of the dog, Attila. Oh, this dog is my dog. So he gave a call from behind, and Ranga was holding a piece of ornament in his hand. He was holding a piece of ornament in his hand and he was moving ahead. He was hurriedly moving ahead with the dog following him, and in the meanwhile, the youngest boy was also there, and he gave a call. Hey, Ranga, stop! Hey, Attila, stop! Ranga heard the noise, heard the sound. He thought that someone was stalking behind him. Someone was, he was caught. He thought that someone was calling him and trying to catch him, trying to hold him. So he started running faster. And here the dog also started running even faster than Ranga. So both were competing with each other in the race along the road, on the road. But at one point of time, what happened? Both of them collided. एक टक्कर हो गई, collided with each other, and Ranga fell flat on the road. He turned turtle, and in the meanwhile, the youngest boy ran over and he sat on his chest. Okay, and in a moment of time, within a few seconds, a crowd gathered there. The police also happened to rush in. See what happened? Who is responsible for the arrest? Yes, who is responsible? I think here Attila is responsible because of his presence, Ranga was also caught by the police, by the young boy. He was overthrown by the young boy. The crowd also gathered. Okay, the crowd took hold of Ranga by the collar, by hand, and the police, he was handed over to police. So Ranga was ultimately caught, detained and arrested by police. Okay, and those, shameful days, shameful time changed into a very brave moments, proud moments for Attila. Attila became all of a sudden overnight, rato-rat, overnight Attila. See how his image changed from a soft dog to a hero. He became a hero for the family. The family was very happy. The family was delighted. The dog was also recovered, and the money, the valuables which were stolen by Ranga, they were also recovered. Okay, so this is how the story comes to an end.